What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Supernova. They sent me this curly 5x5 HD lace closure unit. Modeling today, we have a brand new model, and her name is Ari. Hey, Ari.
So my name is Ari Carter. When you're pregnant, one of the things that happens is your hair does grow fast. And another bad side effect is postpartum. And nowadays, it comes out in your hair. I think the first person that I saw who first put it out there was Toya Wright. It's just, I woke up one day and it wasn't there. So I lost hair in the middle here. And also here on the side, there's a bald spot that appeared out of nowhere. And it's something that I feel like most people who are pregnant or had a child and that went through it, it's best that you talk to someone about it. That way you're not stuck in the depression. Thankfully, I had my family and friends to support me throughout everything, but it is a real serious matter. Just don't feel bad about it. If your hair is coming out, look at something else that's the bright side of things. Like, I still have hair, I still have hair in other places, so yeah. So I didn't notice when Breezy first posted it. I just saw it afterwards. I just so happened to go on there and I was like, let me write her. And then I was kind of not confident about it. I was like, she probably not gonna write back because I'm so late, writing on this post. So when I wrote her and I was like, hey, does postpartum count as far as like hair loss? Because she was saying how she wanted to shoot a video. When she responded, I was like, oh my gosh, she responded. I really was happy. I'm not even gonna cap. But I was like, oh, she responded. Then I was like, she probably not gonna respond again. But she ended up texting me and she fell through and now we're here.
So yes, guys, I posted on my Instagram not too long ago that I'm looking for new models. All right, models experiencing any type of hair loss, whether it be from alopecia, postpartum depression, any like hair pulling diseases, or any of my girls battling cancer. Like, I just want to spread a little bit of light, on people's lives and make these videos to bring awareness, because a lot of girls may think that they're the only ones going through what they're going through, or feel like they're not heard, or just going through confidence and self-esteem issues. And we have to lift each other up, and we have to spread awareness and spread light on these subjects. And what else would I do with all these wigs? So I want to thank Ari for coming on my channel and being so brave and showing where her hair fell out and telling her story and her struggles, because listen, we need to hear stuff like this and we need to see other soldiers out here. So thank you so much, Ari, and girl, I'm about to slay you. All right, so I'm going to let you guys know a little bit of my background, my story. I have a best friend who has alopecia, okay? I've been doing her hair since we were maybe like middle school, high school. And I've learned how to do hair and create a hairline where there is none, even before I was applying wigs. So, and my friend, she has her alopecia on her hairline. Like, it's not in the back or the middle where it can be covered with braids. Like, we really had to be creative, be creative and be inventive to find ways to, make her hair look really good. And all the hairstylists out there who are able to work with these type of clients and make them feel comfortable in their environment and really work miracles with their hands, I just want to say kudos to all of y'all, because giving confidence in that way, it's so powerful and it's so just uplifting for us and our spirits as well. So I just want to say to all my stylists, y'all are the shit. All right, so because this is a 5x5 closure, we can make it wide, we can do baby hairs, we can make it look really flaky. almost frontal like, you know what I'm saying, without the sideburns, but it's all good. So with this hair, I kind of want it to still be big. Like, I don't want it to be super like that wet and wavy look. Well, it still is wet and wavy, but not too flat, right? So instead of putting hair lotion in it, I'm just gonna do the water and a little bit of foam to keep down the frizz. But overall, I still want it to have a lot of body. All right, so we're going with the side part today. You know what I'm saying? It was already kind of in the side part and I was seeing the potential. So we're just gonna make it a little bit deeper and style it like that. And of course, we want to make it as fleeky and realistic and frontal like as possible. So of course, we're doing baby hairs across the hairline. All right, so with the baby hairs, I'm not using any gel or spritz or anything like that. I'm just using this setting foam because I want them to be light, wispy, and just have a soft look. Oh, Che! All right, the baby hairs look really good. And today I'm not going to put her under the dryer because I just don't really feel like it's necessary. Like, I want the baby hairs to just look like effortless, you know? So I sprayed it with a little bit of spritz and I'm just going to pluck the part and finish off the style with no dryer time. All right, you guys, so this is the final result and baby, this wig is thick, okay? So thank you once again so much Supernova for sponsoring this video. Y'all, this wig is super fly, okay? Once again, this is their curly 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Of course, you can apply this with no glue and it'll still stay on and nice and snug, so glue is just an option. And of course, if you want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below.
Thank you, Easy Breezy, for doing my hair. It's so beautiful, it's so pretty. This is to encourage, you know, you young girls out there, you just had a baby and you feeling down, just remember, pain don't last always. And yeah, make sure that you get out there, start feeling yourself. Self-love is so important. We have to treat ourselves, ladies. This hair is bomb. Y'all look at this. Make sure you subscribe to her channel, period, poo, because it's always lit, easy breezy. And I also have a YouTube channel. But yeah,